Today we're gonna talk about Charlie Weasley, who is a very cool Weasley, and he is not the eldest but second eldest son of Arthur and Molly Weasley. He was born on 12th December 1972, and he was an English pure blood wizard. He attended Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry from 1984 to 1991 and was sorted into the Gryffindor house. He was both a prefect and a Quidditch captain during his time at school, and after which he went to study dragon in Romania. Basically, he has a lot of interest in animals, so handling dragons also was his hobby. During the Second Wizarding War, Charlie was a member of the Second Order of Phoenix and fought in the Battle of Hogwarts in 1998, arriving with reinforcement during the final portion of the battle. And he was also present with Harry Potter, defeated Lord Voldemort once and for all. And Charlie survived the Second Wizarding War and continued his work with dragons, and he never married and had no children. But though his sibling and their respective marriages, he had nieces and nephew. Percy Weasley says, "My brother Charlie was always more of an outdoor type, and so he went for care of magical creatures." So Charlie Weasley was the second of the seventh children born to Arthur and Molly Weasley. He was child during the height of the First Wizarding World War. In the fighting, his maternal uncle Fabian and Gideon Privet, both members of the Order of Phoenix, were murdered fighting Antonin Dolohov and 4 other Death Eaters. When he was still a child, the wizarding world became peaceful again, and after Lord Voldemort's first defeat in October 31, 1981, Charlie and his 5 brothers, Bill, Percy, Fred, George and Ron, as well as his younger sister Ginny, grew up in the boroughs of the outskirts of the Ottery, St. Catchpole in Devon, England. Like all of his siblings, he was home educated in reading, writing and simply maths by his mother. The Weasley family was not wealthy compared to the other wizarding family. Many other pure blood wizarding family, particularly the Malfoy, disdained them for their blood traitor, pro-Muggle belief and their lack of wealth, and they tried their best to make up for their love. And it can be assumed that Charlie had a fairly happy childhood, as all the Weasley siblings did. Charlie showed a keen interest in dragonology from a young age, and during a game of truth or dare with friends sometime during 1989 to 1990, Bill Weasley revealed that in his youth Charlie used to try to turn the family pets into dragons, and since this was before he started at Hogwarts and knew any spells, he would settle on the sticking paper wings on the scabbards using spell tape and make Errol fly around with a dragon mask, and then following them around while jotting down his observation of dragon behavior. Hogwarts year 1984 to 1991. On September 1, 1984, Charlie started his first term at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry and was sorted into the Gryffindor house like all the rest of the family, and was in the same year the Hufflepuff Nymphadora town. By the end of the second year, Charlie became the seeker in the Griffin Quidditch team, and he greatly excelled in position. Third and fourth year. In the third year, Charlie elected to take care of magical creature class since he liked working outdoor and Muggle study. It was around this time that he sneaked into the Forbidden Forest, having become convinced that he could catch a dragon in there and well aware of the dangerous creature within. And Bill reluctantly accompanied him so his little brother would not have to face danger. And he would later admit to Jacob's sibling that how he had been sneaking into the Forbidden Forest more than often than Bill or the teachers knew about it. And in the forest he had met and befriended a centaur named Torvus. And though he seldom talked about it because he did not want to brag or know where he sometimes went off. And in his fourth year, Charlie was involved in Jacob's siblings' search for the forest vault and joined them many times in the search in the Forbidden Forest. He entered the forest vault along with the Jacob sibling, Rubius Hagrid, Torvus and another student, either Rowan Khanna, Penny Haywood or Bill Weasley in their vault. He was excited to see a dragon portrait. Fifth year. By the fifth year, Charlie was appointed as a prefect, and near the beginning of the fifth year, he joined a study session with his brother Bill and Percy, as well as Jacob Sibling. That year, Jacob Sibling also sold items and worked to get money to buy a dragon egg from the suspicious Alistair Figan. And although this egg later turned out to be the Acromantula egg, however, as Charlie got a piece of dragon, he was nonetheless satisfied. Later that year, Charlie, Bill, Percy and Jacob Sibling asked nearly headless Nick questions about the Mordor maps, and Charlie got excited when Sir Nicholas mentioned that the Jacob had believed there had been a dragon in the castle, and later Charlie and Bill went to the prefect bathroom to look for the Duncan ashes, and Charlie was disappointed when Duncan left before he had chance to ask about the dragon. Sixth and the 7th year, Charlie eventually became the captain of the Gryffindor Quidditch team, and at some point in his 5th year or later after he left Hogwarts, the seeker position for the Griffin Quidditch team was taken by Harry Potter, and the Quidditch captain position was taken by keeper Oliver Wood. Early in the 6th year, Charlie considered dropping out of the Hogwarts due to what had happened in the buried vault in the previous school year. However, Jacob Sibling was convinced him to finish his education. Sometime during this year, Charlie became a founding member of the Circle of Khanna, a group devoted to avenging Rowan Khanna and locating the final cursed vault. It was at the group's first meeting at the Hoghead Inn that he learned at the malevolent organization R and its motive to locate the final cursed vault before them, and Charlie took his apparition test twice. He failed on the first attempt, materializing 5 miles south of his target and a location on top of old Muggle woman doing her shopping. He passed on to the second attempt. His brother Fred and George made fun of it, but not to his face. Prior to graduation, Charlie was given a Quidditch trophy. Charlie Weasley regarding the dragons for the first time. Keep back there, Hagrid. They can shoot fire at a range of 20 feet, you know. I have seen this horntail do 40. After leaving school, Charlie went to Romania to study dragon, and at some point he acquired a new wand, and his old wand was passed down to his youngest brother Ron. However, many of his peers believed that had he chosen to, he could have played Quidditch professionally and would have been good enough to play for the English national side. At Christmas in 1991, Charlie was visited by his parents and his sister Ginny. During the early age of 1992, Charlie received a letter from Ron asking for help in getting rid of a baby dragon Rubeus Hagrid acquired of a man in the pub. The dragon, a Norwegian Ridgeback named Norbert, was being illegally kept, but Ron, along with his friend Harry Potter and Hermione Granger, did not want their friend to get into trouble. Charlie, who had always got on well with Hagrid because of their shared love of dragon, agreed to help and arrange for some of his friends to pick up the Norbert and delivered him to the Dragon Sanctuary in Romania where he worked. In 1993, Charlie joined the rest of the family on a holiday in Egypt after his father won 700 galleons in annual Daily Prophet Grand Prize galleon draw. During the summer of 1994, Charlie returned to the Burrows to attend the Quidditch World Cup with the rest of the family. He also met Harry Potter for the first time during the Death Eater disturbance in the aftermath of the Irish victory. Charlie, along with his father Bill and Percy, assisted the ministry in attempt to stop it, and Charlie stayed in the Burrows for the summer and accompanied his sibling Harry and Hermione to King's Cross Station to see them off in Hogwarts on 1st September. During the Triwizard tournament which took in the 1994-1995 school year, Charlie assisted in bringing nesting mother dragons to Hogwarts for use in the first half, and they were transported over using a sleeping draught, and he did not dare tell his mother about them considering that she was still angry about Harry being allowed to compete in the tournament, and he remained on hand during the task in case the dragon got out of the hand, and congratulated Harry on beating the Hungarian hotel, and he relayed Harry's performance to Bill and saying it was incredible. He attempted to get time off to work to attend the third task, but he was unable to. So this is the biography of Charlie Weasley. He was a very cool person, animal lover, and also he used to tame big dragons. So we can compare him with Newt Scamander. He was a person like Newt Scamander. So very interesting biography. He was very handsome. I think not very tall like Bill, but was very handsome. So guys, this is my channel Azkaban Wizard. Please subscribe to my channel and like, share, comment, and please help because for the cause of the wizarding world. So Azkaban Wizard here. Okay guys, bye, take care. This is Charlie Weasley biography.